me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the stove, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone and you're stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little fed up. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Lazy and broke, I only get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I feel alone even when we're alone, and that don't cause nothing, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little fed up, yeah. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Yeah. Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Baby, focus. Can't you?
So something I just got ticked off about. Oh, I have not introduced this vlog. Today is August 18th, 2025. And today is my first day back to work. And today is my first day back to work, the teacher's day. But it's not the kids' day. The kids don't start until next week. And I just got ticked off because somebody stole my chair that I've had for 5 years. Somebody had the audacity. So I just went and stole a chair. But I pray it's not somebody's chair for real, you know. That's still here. And they be looking for their chair. Because I really wanted my chair. But anyway, guys. Yeah, today is my day 2 of my intermittent fasting, spiritual fasting. I don't think I need to tell y'all about it's spiritual, but I'm a little sad about it because...
Hello, Dad. We will be reconvening in the gym at 12:50. We also have additional food if you'd like an extra piece of chicken or.
I don't want to go back. I don't want to go back. I don't want to go back. I really just want to go back home. But guess what? I can't do that. I don't have that option. Guys, I will talk to you later because I only have like 3 minutes. I'll see you guys later. Oh, so what happened also, I wanted to say that I spilled a big jug of hand sanitizer all over the floor and all over my legs. Just being absent-minded. But I did that on my live that I just did. So guys, anyway, I'll talk to y'all later. While I'm at it, this is my little outfit for today. I might do my teacher outfits. I might do teacher outfits. And this is not where I want my desk, or do I like my desk over there at the window. So I gotta move my desk. But yeah. And I put my long, extra long braids in my hair as well. A little water bottle. And this is how I look. So guys, I'm about to eat. I fasted for 21 hours. So this is gonna be my OMAD, what I had yesterday, which is curried chicken with mashed potatoes. I made fresh mashed potatoes because I ate all the mashed potatoes yesterday. So that's what I'm eating. That's what I'm eating today. So I will talk to you guys sometime, doing something tomorrow. I don't know. I think I'm just gonna do a variety of the different things. I think I'm gonna do vlogs some days, shorts some days, and lives some days. And then I want to get back to my scriptures too, but I'm gonna do that some days. But until next time, guys, I will see you guys later. Have a blessed day.